everyone. We just got back from Blaydon, and it was really special. And also,
yeah, why were we invited to Blaydon Station?
because there was a new bench opening, and I had to, and they asked me to cut the ribbon.
They asked you to cut the ribbon and declare the bench open.
Yeah.
And who else? Can you remember who else was there? There was an animal, wasn't there? Was there an animal there?
Yeah.
Who?
A dog.
No.
Oh no.
Arlo the Badger was there, and she teaches children all about safety at the railway.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's really important, isn't it, when you go on Trainspotting or if you visit in the train station?
Yeah, but am I allowed to cut now?
Well, let's say a big thank you to everyone first. I know this is a long intro, isn't it? So a big thank you for the Friends of Blaydon Station and the Tyne Valley Community Rail Partnership for inviting us along. We had a great time. Thank you for the presents from Northern as well.
Yeah.
And thank you for everyone who came to support you. A lot of your family were there, weren't they?
Yeah.
So big thanks to them. And yeah, you anything else to say before you cut?
No.
No, you happy with that?
Yes, cut. Hello everyone. Some of the people who work here were
Friends of Blaydon.
yes, Friends of Blaydon. Look after the flower pot and all the things around here. Even
fantastic paintings behind you, haven't there?
yeah, yes,
Can you remember what I told you? There was a lady who does all the signs at Beamish.
yeah,
She comes down here and she paints all these magnificent paintings.
yeah,
So walk along, have a look. See what's there? And horses.
yes.
People running.
It's
Because Blaydon's famous for the
running.
Blaydon races.
Yeah. And then
And then what's that say?
it says, "Welcome to Blaydon Station."
Yeah. And then the next one.
And then it says, "Opened 1835." Then what does that say?
It says home of the Blaydon races.
Yeah.
And then there's a very famous song, the Blaydon races, and we know because we support. Who do we support?
Newcastle.
Newcastle United.
Yes, and it
And they
says,
sing it.
and
We
it
wanted
says,
to get Nana to sing it forward, but Nana's been a bit camera shy, isn't she?
yes, and it says, "We flew across the chain bridge, reached into Blaydon tune the bellman. He was calling that they call him Jackie Brown, or saw him talking to some sheep, and them he was person to scan and see to the release
Concert,
concept in the men
mechanics, it's hard words, isn't it?
mechanic hall at Blaydon.
Very good.
Which has been very well received by the local community, and I think it makes a really positive addition to the station. We've got all our murals, we've got the new bench, it's really all coming together now. So we'd like to thank everyone at Northern who's been involved in helping to fund this, but particularly to Richard, who's done so much of the work to secure this bench and arrange for its installation. We're really grateful that Tommy's come down here today to celebrate his love of trains and of his new favourite railway station, where he's going to open the bench. So we've got the ribbon ready. And are you ready with the scissors? Are they okay? There we go, and then you just need to just do one cut in the middle when you're ready.
I
Tommy.
declare this bench open.
Once more, you're nearly there. Hey! Well,
That's some good presents there, isn't it, son? Look at that bag. What's on the front?
This is Northern Tyne Valley.
It's got all the stations on, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, this is the Tyne Valley Lights, and I'll talk you through all the stations. First, start at Carlisle, Then the next station is Weatherall. Then the next station is Brampton. Then there's Hartwell. Then Borden Mill.
What are you looking for?
And then Hayden Bridge. Hexham, Corbett, Riding Mill, Stocksfield, Frodder, Wylam, Blaydon, Metro Centre, Dunstan and Newcastle.
Where are we now?
Blaydon!
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. She's got a wave, yeah.
158845.
Well spotted.
And we got a boop in the way.
We did, excellent. There it goes past the signal box. Is it double A? Look at the size of that.
That's actually going to Hexham. That one's going to Hexham.
It's going to Hexham, is it? Well, Tommy, here it comes. Tommy. Another double A? Well done, son. Have a nice time in Whitby.
I think that one's Hexham or Whitby.
Is it? Running a bit late, isn't it? That was a good beep, wasn't it?